Hello, good evening, everyone. I mean, good afternoon, even. I mean, good morning, also, good night, also. I welcome you all to this new session. Okay, in today's session of Knowledge World, in today's series, we will be discussing a bit about law of attraction. Okay, there was a comment that I had picked last night. Okay, a question, not a comment, a question that I had picked up last night regarding law of attraction and how it works and what are its benefits and how does it impact our well-being. Okay, so first of all, I welcome you all with both hands joined. Welcome everyone. Stay till the end and do tell me after the video ends that how was the video. Was the video effective, or do I need to make more videos regarding this aspect so that I can make uh, more in a very clear and in a very precise manner. I will make videos. Okay, that is that. And let us now let us now avoid the background noise. Anyway, so I'm just so as I was on the verge of telling you something, right? I was telling you that last night I picked up some of the some of the questions that needs urgent redressal. Okay, and I'm here for that reversal anyway. So let us begin first of all. Okay, let us begin in a very great atmosphere, in a very comfort. So we will be again. I'm too much sorry for this background noise. It will not it will distract my audience, but anyway, just focus on my voice, my words, myself. Okay, uh, as I'm portraying myself in this video. So today's topic, first of all, watch till the end, that I've already mentioned, and do tell me how the video you like. Okay, so I will tell you a little bit about a law of attraction. Okay, I will not go into the details. I will not go into the details, but I will make sure. But I will make sure that but I will make sure that today's today's session will be helpful to you. Okay, but I will make smaller videos so that it does not become too much lengthier or too much, it does not clutter your mind away or some sort of that thing. I do not want that thing to happen anyway. So in today's video, yeah, law of attraction. Okay, now let's get this session rocking. Let's get this session started. Okay, if you are new to the channel, kindly press the bell notification icon, as well as kindly like the video as well, and as well share till the if you like the video helpful, kindly share it after the video. Okay, so this video, law of attraction. Okay, this is the main theme of today's topic. Okay, so there are no scientific beliefs. There are no scientific, you know, scientific researches that can, that can prove this kind of topic. I know this is a very, a very famous and a very curiosity. You may be getting lots of curiosity, a lot of desperation. I can feel it. Okay, in your eyes, in your words, in your action. Okay, lot of you are very much anxious to know. What sort of thing is this? Okay, because there was a book, The Secret. I do not know whether it is a book or a movie, but there was something like that. Anyway, so there are many kinds of movies that are also based on these things, that are portraying these things. It is some kind of a belief as of now. It is not true, but anyway, let me give you an overall idea of what this thing is really. So law of attraction. See, if you think in a very, let me. I'm sorry. I'm kind of uttering in between. Anyway, I'm just framing the phrases for the right words for your convenience. Okay. So see, if you see in a longer perspective, if you see it, as a, if you see this as in a longer perspective, in a futuristic goal, okay, like not for a shorter duration, for a longer duration, in the example, such as 2 years, 3 years down the line, as much as you want, okay. But this would not work if you are expecting it to work in a shorter duration. First of all, let me clear this thing, that this will only and only work when you are working on a longer duration. Okay, when your mindset and your goals are, I mean, fixed for the future, and they are of a broader plan. Okay, when you have set a broader plan for the future, that I have to do this, okay, in the future as well. So for that you will have to be positive, okay. See, if you have positive thoughts, okay, if you have positive beliefs, so you will be getting positivity. But on the other hand, if you but it is not, let me butt in here for a moment, but this is not completely necessary that if you are having, that you will have to be positive, okay. If you think that I'm feeling good, you will have to be optimistic. First of all, this is number one. There are many theories, there are many concepts, there are many beliefs, there are many philosophers who have in the past, you know said all kinds of things, but there is no scientific proof of as of today as well. So you will have to first of all understand the basics of it, then only I can, I hope you are getting my point of what I'm trying to say, okay. As I'm saying in a very clear, in a very, systematic manner, so that there is no haze wire or any sort of clutterness or any confusion in your minds. So first of all, try to understand the meaning, okay. There will be lots of yatras, lots of sections, lot of sessions for this yatra as well. But for the time being, if you find this video useful, just do tell me. If you need more videos on this, and if you're not completely satisfied with this video as well, then tell me. I will explain you in a very, in a very clear, in a very simple manner as well. But it is not that I'm not explaining you as of now in a clear and in a very crystal kind of manner. Sorry for that thing. Anyway, I'm getting lost. Come back. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Very much sorry. Yeah, and the other thing, you have to have a cold drink in between. Yeah, at times I take, at times I do not take. That is a separate issue. But see, I will have to, I mean, have few, few little or you can, in a rather, in a other way, you can portray it as a few sips as well. Okay. Sorry, I'm a little bit disturbed. My atmosphere is a little bit disturbed. So I am uttering in between. I am not in that soundful state. Okay. I'm trying to maintain that peacefulness, that dignity. I'm trying to, get positive vibes. I'm trying to go in a positive trajectory. But anyway, that will come in time. That will take its time anyway. So many movies have, appeared in the past. There was this book, The Secret. Many people got inspired by this book. That what does this laws that was I'm sorry that what does this law states? What is the basis of this law. See, there is no scientific proof for this law as of today as well. Okay, it is still a mystery, that it is still a research going process. So do not take it as that this is it, because this is not the because this is not it. There will be many other theories, there will be many other, in the near future there will be many other speculations about this matter. So do not get carried away, just stay focused. Okay, your main goal should be to be positive, and if you think in a positive manner, then all sorts of positive things would happen in front of you. But 1 minute, but positive things will happen, but it is not necessary that positive things can happen. Negative things can also take place. There are two statements here. Positive, if you are thinking in a in a positive trajectory for the future, for in a long way, okay, then this thing will happen. I mean, there are no even guarantees as to, I mean, whether this law is accurate or not. There are no scientific proofs. These are all beliefs of some philosophers, that they are all speculations, but just do not get into the speculative set. What I'm trying to say is that if you are first of all, see, uh, in everyday life you will have to jot down those points, jot down those things first of all. Okay, if you want this thing to work, those certain things that you will do in the entire day. Okay, number two, you will have to stay focused. Number three, you will have to stay positive. If you want positivity around you, okay, if you will think positive, then positive things may happen. But if you have a mindset of a but if you have a negative mindset, then then it is not necessary or compulsory even that negative things will happen all the time. Positive things can also happen. Okay, so these both aspects are interrelated with each other. Okay, I think I have explained enough for today's session. I will meet you in in the next video. I think this much information is sufficient for today's session. So let me halt this session for the time being, and I'm not putting it all in one go. I will take my time, but I will tell you. Okay, eventually I will tell you. I have told you a lot of information. I've told you a lot of knowledge. I've given you a lot of knowledge. I've given you a lot of inspiration from this video, if you are feeling a little bit of motivation. Okay, but how do you like the video? It is up to you to decide. If you like the video, kindly like the video. Okay, and if you do not like the video or any such thing, or any such questions that are arising out of your desires, expect of your mind, then please do drop a comment. The comment box is always open at all times. Okay, we will meet. Okay, I will certainly meet. Whether you are not present or not, that is a secondary issue, but I will definitely meet in the next video. Okay, so let us end this session for the time being, and we will meet in the next chapter of this series. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you. Namaskar. And do like the video. Okay, do not forget, like the video, give a vote means liking the video. Do it. Thank you very much till the end. Thank you very much. Like it.